In this lesson we will draw our flower. If you wish, you can make your own sketch or you can use my template. I will provide this template in the resource sections, so you are very welcome to download it if you need it. Remember to use an erasable gel pen, so if you will have any markings under your embroidery, you can just hit it with a blow dryer and they will disappear. I have tested. I will just make a sketch. I'm sketching it first because I want to see where I will have this. And after you are satisfied with your sketch, you can go to the next lesson.